Today, you got to get cooking tips for good health and well-being. Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day here in Melbourne, so I've decided to make the most of it, and I'm going to do this out on the decking with all the noise around. We'll see how we go. Today I'm sharing 5 tips that I'm implementing in my own life to improve my health and well-being. I hope you find them informative and useful. Let's rock! Number 1, whole foods. Use food closest to their natural state as possible. So in practice this means more brown than white. So brown bread versus white bread, brown rice versus white rice. Next, enjoy nature's sweetness. So eat fruit instead of sugary desserts. If you need a snack, enjoy fruit, or carrot sticks and celeries instead of sugar-laden or salt-laden snacks. The last point is be a label reader. Get your reading glasses on and have a look at the fine print and see what they're putting in your food. If it's got a string of numbers, then you should be dubious because they're using additives instead of natural flavours. And this means the food's not close to its natural state. Turn a large pan onto medium heat. This is a variation on a sauce done by That's What I Reckon, the anti-warrior of jar sauce. He became famous on YouTube for making videos that basically said, F jar sauce. I'll put his link below, but be warned, he swears a lot. But this shows you how easy it is to make a sauce which you'd pay extra dollars for in a jar, and is full of all sorts of stuff. Sugar, lots of salt, and it's not great for your health. We're going to fry off the onion and garlic. We're going to add the tomatoes and the basil and the stock, and that's about it. So let's go. Stir the sauce regularly. As the sauce thickens, cook the pasta. Season to taste. The pasta is cooked. We're going to put some pasta in the sauce and coat it, and then we're going to plate it up. Pasta's all served. We're just going to add a little more basil for decoration. Some Parmesan cheese, of course. What's pasta without Parmesan cheese? That's absolutely delicious. Thumbs up from GT. Number 2, home cook instead of ready-made. So instead of buying ready-made meals from the supermarket or ordering takeaway or having in delivery service, get in the habit of cooking for yourself. Develop a repertoire, and soon you'll find you'll have a list of tasty meals that you can make, and also have a list of go-tos. So when you're tired and you can't be bothered, have something you can get together quickly to relieve that hunger. Number 3, fresh is best. Go for seasonal and low food mile produce. Find a providor or a farmer's market. You'll find delicious, tasty and fresh food. Yes, it's more expensive, but it's an investment in your health. Grow your own. If you've got some room, have a small veggie patch or grow some herbs. You'd even grow herbs on a windowsill. You don't need very much space. And supermarkets charge a bomb for a very small amount. Have your own herb garden, and you can just pop out whenever you need a flavour bomb for a meal. It's a great way to cook. As a side note, I'm planning to start a side YouTube channel. I think it's going to be called The Little Kitchen Garden. You'll be able to see how to make your own kitchen garden and follow my progress. Number 4, eat what feels good for you. Everybody's got advice for you, and they're going to tell you their diet was the best. There's also food zealots out there who would have you eat nothing but quinoa, celery sticks and carrots. Not that there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe these aren't the right things for you. There are many different paths, and the path to good health is a journey. Be adventurous and enjoy the journey. Now, as you make these changes in your life, Don't try and change it all at once. Just take some baby steps. Set small goals. Celebrate the victories. Forgive yourself for the failures and keep going. Number 5, self-care or self-love. Cooking good food, eating well, and getting your body moving are all acts of self-love. Take care of your body. Now, I know there's lots of guys that might think that self-love is not really a concept for them. See it as an investment. Cook good food, eat well, get your body moving, and you'll see life will be great. I hope you enjoyed that different style of video. I certainly enjoyed making it. It's beautiful sitting out here in the sun. So give me a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you thought of this video. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao.